Okay, Priya, let's start.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Priya and I am here for deliver the speech on the topic of poverty. So, as you all know, guys, poverty is very serious issue not only in India but in worldwide. And what is the meaning of poverty? Poverty means when people cannot fulfill their basic needs like food, shelter, and clothes, and they cannot give to their child quality education. So, this is means poverty, and there are two types of poverty: relative poverty and extreme poverty. Relative poverty means when people can fulfill their basic needs but they don't have a luxury life. So this is called relative poverty. And extreme poverty means in which they can't fulfill their basic needs like food, shelter. And relative poverty is in developed country like USA and many other. And extreme poverty in India and in developing country. And there are so many causes of poverty like low income and lack of employment and increasing of population. So there we can also help them by open our business and give them employment by giving them work. And there are so many side effects of increasing poverty like increasing the rate of crimes, and people don't have any work, so they theft and robbery, and they gambling. So guys, my conclusion is that we should help the poor people and give them quality education to understand how to come over the poverty. So thank you for listening.
Well done. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Shambhavi. I am from Bethel. Today I am going to deliver the speech on the topic: life should be peaceful rather than successful. I think it is not true because some people think that success is having a huge amount of money and getting a position in society, but they don't know it is not true because peace is when we feel when we are able to think clearly, and when we are able to think clearly, and we don't think about negative things. So that means a peaceful life. And how, and when you live peaceful, according to me, when we have freedom for violence, and we have good family, and we feel calm, peace and relax. So this is a peaceful life. And what do you mean by peaceful life? If you have good health, and our relations is good with our family members, friends and others, so that means peace. We live in peaceful life, and don't think about future, focus on present. So it is peaceful life. And my conclusion is that I think satisfied life is better than successful life, because our success is measured by other people's, and our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind and heart. So it is all about my speech. Thank you so much.
Well.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am Sakshi. Today I am here for deliver the speech on the topic time management. So as you all know, guys, time is very precious in everyone's life. So everyone should be manage their time. So what is the time management? Time management means manage the time by planning and do all the work on the time. Time management is very important in everyone's life. And for the career, it is the key to success in life. So we should respect the time and value it, understand its value. So now let me speak about how to manage the time. So for manage the time, we should start a day with planning and make to-do list and set time limit for every work.
So firstly we should do urgent work, then after do important work but not urgent work, then after do less important work. And it is very important to remove all the not essential tasks in your daily routine. So in this way we should manage our time. Now let me speak about why time management is very important. So for living a better life, everyone should be manage their time, and those people who are manage the time are very punctual and successful in their life. And those people who are not manage the time, they face many problems and consequences their life. So now let me speak about advantages of time management. So if you manage the time, so increase your focus and happiness, and you also build confidence, and also your stress level are reduced. And if you manage the time, so you get enough free time to do big tasks, and you spend time with your family and friends and enjoy. And it also help you to achieve your goal faster. So guys, time is very limited and precious. So every minute, second or hour which are gone, so it never come back. So guys, please manage the time and value it to make future bright. So this is all about my speech.
Today I am here for delivering a speech on the topic smart hard work. So hard work is very necessary for our life, because without hard work we can't learn anything. And if at the stage of learning, hard work is necessary, and hard work improve our success path. If we want to move next level to success, so in this moment hard work is necessary. And if we think about smart work, so if we do smart work, so we can't move next level. We live in at the same stage of success. And hard work is very beneficial for our life. And hard work want to some qualities like patience, focus, concentration, and energetic mindset. And in this quality should we include in our personality, so definitely we success in our life. And with the help of hard work we also connect with our works and also perform very well. So now I want to speak about smart work. So smart work is a very smart work is a same time saver. If we want to save our time and finish our work at the short time, so smart work is very beneficial. And nowadays smart work is performed by every person, because everyone want to finish our work at short time. So smart work is beneficial, but all the time if we do smart work, so we can't improve our skills. And with the help of hard work we improve our skills and also improve our knowledge, because if we don't work hardly, so we can't move to next level. So everyone should do hard work, and sometimes also do smart work according to their needs. So it's all about my speech. Thank you so much for listening my speech.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, all here present. Good morning. First of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speaking front of you. Today I am speak about.
I'm going to speak.
Today I am going to speak about money. First of all, I speak about the full form of money. So M for more, and O for opportunity, and N for now, and E for exist, and Y for you. So it's a full form of more opportunities now exist you. Let me speak about what is money. So money is a medium of exchange. Money is a medium of exchange for various goods and services. Different countries different currency, and India's currency is rupiah, and 100 and coins are called paisa, and 100 paisa is called 1 rupiah. So now let me speak about importance of money. So as you all know, money is very important for everyone. Without money, we can't live a good life, and we can't fulfill our needs. And without money, people don't respect you, and we can't buy anything. And without money, we can't achieve our goals. So money is very important for everyone. So please, Sir Kashmir come and see this.
Save the money.
So please save the money and
Don't misuse it.
don't misuse money, and
Make your life
make your life
beautiful. Make your life beautiful.
yeah, make your life beautiful.